Well, good morning, everyone. I am Buck. This is Shop Talk with Buck. Glad you could join me. Looking forward to a good day. Yesterday, I put some panels together. I tried to do a seamless panel for my shaker, my shaker style doors. I'll show them to you. But so I'm working on the panel inside. I didn't have a board big enough, so I had to put two together. So what I worked on yesterday was how to put boards together. And if you grain match them, and then you have to have a really good seam in order to for it to hide. The grain plays a big part, and also getting your joints prepared to where it'll hide. Plus, if it hides and got a good joint right there, the glue's going to do better because you got more surface. It's more true. So that's what I did yesterday, and today we'll probably take them out of the clamps and go ahead and smooth them down and cut them to the size of the stiles and rails. We'll get them fitted and get them ready to go, and it won't be much. That won't take long. It won't be much. We'll what we can do, we'll put the hinges on and get them mounted. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. For anyone that don't know, I've got a dry sink I'm working on that was handed down from my wife's grandmother. But there's a lot of pieces missing. The doors, the drawer, the carcass inside. It would just it's whatever happened to it, nobody knows. And the structure on the back, I call the superstructure that you hang your towels and stuff on. You can see where they kept mounting it to it, and they just destroyed the back. Weakened it with more nails and more nails and more nails. But anyway, they finally give up on it and chunked it, I guess. So anyway, I'm trying to put all that back. And I'm kind of want it to look antiquish, but you don't. If you wanted a new piece of furniture, it'd be better to start from scratch. However, it's a handed family heirloom type situation. If anybody don't know what a dry sink is, they bought these things where you can wash your hands and all, and you can store your washcloths and towels and whatnot before they had indoor plumbing. So that's what I've been working on. So it's been a lot of fun. It's time consuming. A lot of ways you could take and build a new one, but it's kind of like remodeling a house or remodeling a store or something. Maybe a lot of times you'll see them just tear it down, build a new one. Of course, part of it's code and stuff like that. But anyway, that's what I've been working on. And so hope y'all have a wonderful day. Today is Friday. Yeah, weeks just keep clicking off ours. The days I can tell it because I go out and feed the chickens and feed the dogs and all. I can tell days are getting longer, or the days are getting shorter. The nights are getting longer. So I don't go. I was feeding at 6:30. Now it's after 7 before it's light enough to see. Of course, today it's a little cloudy, so I might have played a little bit of role to it. But anyway, well, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and hope y'all have a wonderful day. And we will see y'all on the next one.